control tower. This is where the brain of the operation happens. This crew maintains the plant as well. If anything goes wrong, they're the masters who fix it.
How much repaving do we do annually?
We are charged with resurfacing 1,150 lane miles citywide. That requires over 1 million tons of material to be produced in the city. This plant produces over 450,000 tons of material.
Wow.
Because of the strategic location, we are able to use waterways to deliver the material here.
That's a real plus to be able to use the waterways and not have to put trucks on the road.
Absolutely.
These are the silos. They hold about 280 to 300 tons each.
How many tons of asphalt goes into the truck?
Usually about 20 tons a truck.
20 tons?
Yeah. He's ready to go get loaded. If you want to
Yes,
hit
sir.
plus.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing like the smell of asphalt in the morning.